Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best skateboard screws is probably one of the most understated components in skateboarding, but choosing the right ones can significantly impact your ride's performance and longevity. From ensuring your deck stays securely attached to preventing frustrating breakages mid-session, the type of screw you use matters more than you might think. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of skateboard screws, exploring different materials, sizes, and designs to help you find the perfect fit for your setup and riding style. Get ready to tighten your knowledge and upgrade your skateboarding game. Number 5. Longboard Cruiser Hardware. Upgrade your ride with this essential hardware kit. It's designed for a secure and smooth longboarding experience. These aren't your average screws, they're built to last. The flat head design ensures a clean, flush fit. You'll receive everything you need for a complete setup. No more hunting for missing parts. The precise 1-inch length provides optimal grip and stability. It's perfect for attaching your trucks to the deck. Whether you're cruising down the street or carving up the hills, it's the perfect fit. Enjoy a secure and smooth ride. Installation is a breeze. Simply attach them to your longboard and hit the streets. What we like. If you need basic, reliable hardware for your longboard, this is a great option. It's simple, affordable, and gets the job done. If you are looking for a classic black aesthetic to match your board, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Longboard Skateboard's Cruiser Hardware Screws works on my Meepo V4S Shuffle. These fit perfectly. I even got a spacer and didn't take it into account, but these screws still fit. I have a pretty standard 8 deck, and the screws fit perfectly. 1.25 may have been longer than necessary for my setup. I'm using Thunder 147 trucks, and the screws stick out slightly. I may have been good with the one option, but as you can see in the picture, it's really no biggie. Number 4. C&Xanadu Upkeep Skate Tool. This all-in-one tool is a must-have for any skateboarder. It has everything you need to keep your board in top condition. It adjusts and tightens wheels, trucks, and kingpins. You'll be able to maintain your skateboard easily. This tool includes sockets, Allen wrenches, a Phillips head screwdriver, and even a bearing press remover. Everything is right here. It's designed to adjust axle nuts, mounting hardware, and the kingpin nut. No more struggling with multiple tools. No assembly required. It's easy to use and comes with all the tools you need to get started. Its compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for taking with you wherever you go. The 2-in-1 Allen wrench and Phillips head screwdriver conveniently stores in the handle. What we like. This isn't just a set of screws, it's a complete toolkit. It includes everything you need for on-the-go repairs and adjustments. If you are always on the move and need a convenient way to maintain your skateboard, this is the perfect tool for you. What people say. It was a great price, so bought for my daughter's skateboard. Works great to tighten the wheels or loosen my trucks while on the go. I also use the small screwdriver piece to pull my bearings from my wheels. Gold looks so sick on my board. Tool is a little cheap, but it was just a bonus. Purchased for the hardware. I use spacers for stress cracks, so needed longer hardware, and this worked out perfect. Number 3. Bones 1 Skateboard Hardware. Upgrade your skateboard setup with Bones 1-inch mounting hardware. It's the perfect way to securely attach your trucks to the deck. Notice the bright white bolt heads. They're not just stylish, they help you quickly find your foot placement. These are designed for a secure and reliable connection between your trucks and deck. Enjoy a smooth ride every time. It's not just about function, it's about style. These bolts add a touch of cool to your board. Each package includes a full set of 8 bolts, providing everything you need for a complete installation. Installing it is easy and straightforward, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced skaters. What we like. These screws offer a unique look with their white heads, which can help with foot placement and add a stylish touch to your setup. If you like to customize your board and want to add a unique visual element, then this is the product for you. What people say. Basic hardware. As long as the threads don't strip and the screws don't snap, it's doing its job. And it does its job. Exactly what you need to mount your trucks to your board. The hardware fit perfectly, it fit tight. The point is, everything fit perfect. Number 2. Skateboard Hardware Kit. This kit includes everything you need to assemble your skateboard deck. It's got 9 pieces of high-strength hardware, plus a bonus screw in case you lose one. These aren't your average bolts. They come in a dazzling array of colors to match your style. Make your board stand out from the crowd. No need to search for the right tool. A handy hex key is included, making installation a breeze. Built to last, this hardware is made from high-strength materials, ensuring a secure and reliable mount for your deck. It's simple to install and replace these parts, making maintenance a snap. Keep your skateboard running smoothly. This kit provides different sizes of screws, 1-1-4, 1-7-8, to fit various skateboard setups. You're all set. What we like. With extra screws and a variety of colors, this set ensures you're prepared for anything. It also comes with a convenient hex key. If you value variety, convenience, and a pop of color for your skateboard, this is the one for you. What people say. Adds a little extra pop. Seems to be good quality. These fit the board's aesthetic perfectly, and anchor tightly with the included Allen key. The color pops in sunlight and the screws fit very snugly. Number 1. Independent Skateboard Hardware. For over 45 years, Independent Trucks has been the top choice for skateboarding pros. Experience the legendary quality and performance that's made them an industry standard. These aren't imitations, they're the real deal. Ensure your setup is built with authentic independent components for optimal performance and durability. These cross bolts are essential for keeping your trucks firmly in place. They provide the strength and stability you need for any skateboarding style. The standard Phillips head design makes installation easy and straightforward. You'll have your board set up in minutes. This stylish black and red hardware is the perfect finishing touch for your custom skateboard. The 7/8 size is compatible with most standard skateboard setups. Don't settle for anything less than the best. These independent parts will take your skateboarding to the next level. What we like. These screws are made by a trusted brand known for quality and performance. If you are looking for high-quality hardware from a reputable brand, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Perfect length for trucks without risers. Great hardware. Independent is by far one of the best. Great bolts. They hold up really well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.